Cooking ogbono soup today. Oh, make una join me. Let us cook this ogbono soup. You can see the ogbono is already on fire, boiling. I don't know, in the comment section you will tell me your the vegetable you like to use. Is it bitter leaf or pumpkin leaf? Which one do you use when you are cooking your ogbono soup? Okay, so the ogbono soup has boiled to an extent now. So just like I've told you earlier, I'm going to add in my ingredients. So I want to add my seasoning now. If you are not using Mr. Chef products, or you they miss a lot to see. This one is the seasoning chicken flavor. That's my best, this one, if you use it, it will give you the aroma. To add my okra. I don't know if you have used it before, or you're just cooking your ogbono soup like that, but to me, I like add. Okay, so adding the ogbono. Okay, it's on it, and then allow it to boil. You can see the thing is still boiling. Vegetable, my pumpkin leaf is the one I'll add last. Then I'll, just like I've told you earlier, I've added the meats. Now, salt. Why I like adding salt last is because I use the salt in parboiling or steaming the meat rather. So if I add meat, then I'll gauge and find out the amount of salt I will add. And so the soup is even ready. So just like I've told you before, Mr. Chef cooking ogbono soup today. Oh, make una join. Okay, so the ogbono soup has boiled to an extent now. So just to add my okra. I don't know if you have. Okay, so just like I've told you earlier, I've added the meats, the proteins, meat, the fish,